299 requesting to take off runway 7. Yep, you have clearance. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Bye. All passengers, we have now reached our cruising altitude, and I will just stabilize the plane, and then you can initially get up. You can now get up, and we will soon be doing service. We are now starting our service. We are now collecting all of the rubbish from all passengers, so when the flight attendants go past you, please give them your rubbish. Thank you. We are also now going to start our initial descent. So when we do a touchdown, it is going to be a bit rough. Well, I say a bit rough, but it's going to be rough because the back wheels, first of all, are not as stable as we wanted, and also there is some really bad turbulence. Thank you. We are now about to touch down, and so yeah. 3, 2, 1,
30,
and
20.
touchdown. Sorry, all passengers, there was just a problem with the plane when we were landing there, and that's why that was a very hard landing. But we are now safely on the ground and are coming to a stop. We are now taxiing to the gate and soon going to go in our gate. Just doing a turn right now and very close to our gate. So yeah, literally right there, right in front of us.
All passengers, we are now about to be at our gate and you will soon be able to get up. Thank you for flying with easyJet. Hope we see you soon.
You can now get up out of your seats and exit the plane. Thank you and goodbye.